What's going on? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing the end of the month recap for March 2019.
Nerf this!
If you're finding my channel for the first time, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random and you don't want to miss a thing. With that out of the way, let's jump right into it. So if this is your first time watching the end of the month recap, basically I go through and rate myself on a scale of 1 to 5 on 5 different categories to see how I did at the end of each month, just to keep myself accountable and make sure I stay on track for the goals that I want to reach. So this month was just a blah month. It was 3s across the board pretty much. It just was a mediocre month. I just wasn't exceptional. I wasn't very poor, but I just don't feel like I made the progress that I should be making. And with that being said, the first quarter of the year is over, guys. We are heading into the second quarter of the year. So really take a look back and see what you said you wanted your New Year's resolution to be or your goals for 2019 and see if you're on track, because we're a fourth of the way done. So we only have 3 more quarters to go. So starting off with physically I rated myself a 3. Again, not great, not bad, right in the middle. That goes for my diet and my exercise. Mentally, again, 3. Not great, not super poor, just mediocre. I had some good days, I had some bad days, but again, I just felt that the 3 was appropriate. Socially, I will say that I've been very active with going to networking events and spending time with friends and family, so I did rate myself a 4 for socially. Spiritually, I rated myself a 2 because I haven't been doing my affirmations, I haven't been meditating, I haven't been really sitting down and taking time to visualize my goals with the certain focus that I want to put on it, so I rated myself a 2 for this month. And then finally, financially, 3. Again, wasn't stellar, wasn't poor, but you know, middle of the road. I know that I can do better. I know it could have been worse, but I know that I can do better, and I am hard on myself naturally, so gave myself a 3. So again, this month, just the middle of the road for me, a 3 averaged out to be this month. Let's put this quarter behind me and start next quarter strong, starting today. Today is April 1st. So if you do want to follow along or participate, let me know how you did in the month of March, and let me know if you got closer or further away from your goal, and hopefully you got closer. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Again, my name is Sean, and each and every video I do try to make you the best version of you. Thanks so much for watching. Again, signing off.